Alright, we're going to set up a couple targets over here. We're going to use some old beer cans we had for targets, and that old ice chest right there, styrofoam ice chest. Explain what that is.
It's a saddle holster made by Andrew Leathers out of Florida for the Smith & Wesson model 686 plus 7-shot revolver. 357 Magnum.
Badass. Pull that thing out. Let's see it. Oh my God, look at that thing. Wow. Loaded to the gills with freaking ammo.
This is the mags for the Sig P365. This is right here. This is the Walter.
Pull it out. Let me see it.
WMP.
Nice.
Paddle release. 22 Magnum.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gun.
This is the Taurus TX22 22 long rifle.
Oh my God, I love that gun. That is beautiful. Man, it looks like a Glock to me.
Taurus TX22.
All right, you say so.
Sig 365 with the 12 round mag.
Boy, that's a nice little sidearm for concealed carry, huh? Oh, even gets better.
Another Sig 365, don't have a mag in it now. But this is what, from Andrew's Leather, it's called a carjacker holster. And you wear this on your waist. It's like a cross draw, but it lays down. Lays down like this.
Nice.
This fits in there. It's especially made for if you're doing a lot of driving and you can't get to a 4 o'clock carry.
Right.
You can get to this real quick.
Right. Nice. Nice. I like that.
Oh.
Dad, you really thought about this stuff before you made any buys, huh?
I think that's about it. About all the goodies I got in the bag. Yep.
All right. Well, we're going to shoot those.
About 20 yards right here.
That's about 15.
About 15. Yeah, that's close enough. Huh?
About 15 yards. What's the first gun you're using here? The Walter.
The Walter's WMP.
All right. You love that 22 mag.
That's my caliber. Might help if I actually put a round in it.
All right.
I don't know where I hit. I was shooting top left. Let me go see. Oh, I'm all over the place. Right there. Maybe I ought to get a little closer.
Well, that's 15 yards. Most gunfights don't take place more than 5 yards, they say. All right.
That's about 5 yards right there. That was my first round. Let's do 10 rounds. No, yeah, 10 rounds. 9 rounds.
Nice. It looks like it's left shooting a little bit to me.
Yeah. I'm all over the map on that.
Well, there's one right there in the middle. But I think you left shooting. Well, I mean, all of it's within a lung and chest area. I think whoever's attacking you is incapacitated.
They've lost interest in me.
Yes. And that is what you want to do, is
That's exactly right.
eliminate the threat. All right.
Taurus TX22. I'll be shooting bottom left.
Point where you got.
I think right here and right here.
All right.
I don't know where the third one went. I'm going to shoot the top right.
Okay. Top right, huh?
That was my first one.
Nice.
I think that was the second one.
Good deal.
Third one, I don't know where it went.
Went through the first hole.
Maybe so. There ain't no way I can tell.
Yep. It's just a bunch of holes, and the threat is eliminated.
Really broke in yet. You might want to cut this on. This is the one that I intend to let Tori have.
Oh, yeah. Great.
So I want to shoot it a couple of times.
Yeah.
Because I have.
All right. Nice.
This one has a safety on it. A lot of your 365s don't. But
Really?
The thing about having the 12 round mag, you can get your pinky on it.
There you go. That's true.
So otherwise that pinky's just kind of hanging out there.
Nice.
Spring's kind of tight on this one.
It is, huh? Point your finger where you hit. Okay.
Here, here.
Cool. Nice. The object is to dissuade the threat from coming forward, and I think you would have done that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. Okay. We're not professional shooters, by far. But we can kick up some dust.
This is a 10 round mag which comes with the pistol.
Yeah.
They supply 2 10 round mags with the pistol. And you can see it's real hard to get a good purchase on
Yeah.
that.
Okay.
I'm kind of thinking that she might be
Yeah, that might be good for the Tory.
for Taurus.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna run another mag
Yeah,
on this.
absolutely. Let's do it. Let's rock and
I
roll.
want to kind of loosen it up.
I think everybody likes to hear the sound of the pops. Nice, nice. Oh, the smell of gunpowder in the air. It's intoxicating. Okay, what's next? Don't tell me. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Here we go. Oh, Lord. Clint Eastwood could only wish for something so nice. What is this again?
Smith & Wesson model 686 plus.
Yes,
7 round capacity.
357. Man, smells like someone's frying bacon. Nice. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gun.